my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Alternator 254, man. I apologize for the noise from the fans, but it's kind of hot in here. I was gonna be outside getting the Chevy right, but it's raining. But you know, a little rain ain't stopping the thing over here. So got my boy Guru up on the TV. You know what I mean? Watching him as I get ready to put in his work. Really just trying to get some cleaning and straightening going on. So since I can't do the outside work that I was planning on doing, what I plan to do here, I'm gonna go ahead and we got this bracket. Let me show you. So as you see, we got the truck set up on this vehicle. Vehicle is a 86 Cutlass, two-door Braham. The engine is a 6.0 with a sloppy stage 2 cam, 243 heads, upgraded springs. You know, nothing major, something light. You know how we do. So, what I'm going to do is we're gonna pull this bracket off. We're basically just doing something different, man. Shout out to LSX Innovation for sending us this bracket kit. Comes complete with this hardware, and the most important thing of all, comes with instructions. Now, a lot of people are pretty smart and they can probably figure a lot of stuff out. However, we do not know exactly what you're going to need. So it always helps when a company sends instructions, and that's exactly what LSX Innovations has done for us. So we are good to go. I got everything here laid out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this other part off. Y'all make sure if y'all want to pick up the set, man, use that code LSCR10. No. Use that code LSCR free shipping. Free ship, LSCR free ship. You get free shipping on your order from LSX Innovations. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get this old one off, and then we're gonna start to install the new one. Let's go. The old bracket off, power steering pulley off. You know, we had that power stand hose that we needed to install, so this is gonna be the ideal time to do that. This is just the stock one for the Cutlass, part number 1340141. As you can see here, it screws directly into the back of the pump of the LS, and of course it's going to fit on this side because that's what it did right there. So this is the old one. It'll have to come out, but like I said, first and foremost, you know, our priority is to make sure that we get this get the bracket on there, and then, you know, we'll figure out the rest of the details. So step one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is pretty much just to assemble it on the block. You're gonna use the three longest 130 millimeter screws, socket head bolts. I'm really not a fan of socket head bolts because they can strip out. Just be careful when you use these. Make sure you use the right hex size in there so that you don't have any issues with stripping them out. So let me get this together, get it on there, and then I'll turn it back on. Our steering pump off because we're having some fitment issues. I don't know how this is gonna go, guys. I don't know how it's gonna go. I do got the bracket on partly. I'm gonna go do some research and see exactly how I guess it's supposed to lay or whatever, so that I can make whatever preparations that I need to make. If I need to get a different power steering pump, then I just may have to do that. If not, then we good. Luckily, I already got the car hiked up, so honestly, I can just come in from the bottom, or I can come in from the top, whatever, and see how that power steering pump is gonna mount, and then go from there. So, wish me luck, dog. All right, so apparently there are more than one style of power steering pump. I'm not exactly sure which one I have, but if you look here, it sticks out like mad far from the thing. Like, I don't know why it's way over there, but in all honesty, I mean, it fit with the old bracket. It was in there. With this new one, not so much. It's hitting a couple things actually. It's hitting on this. I can't really get it down off in there to kind of twist it and finagle it. I'm gonna give it another shot from the top, and then go from there. If it doesn't work, then I'll just skip that part and come back to it. So, yeah. So I have finagled it all the way in there. The only issue is how far that return thing sticks out, and I'm not able to get it up and over the the drive shaft where it connects. So it's posing an issue. I don't know if I bend it in, will it cause a kink? Like I said, this one that they show on here, I mean, it just naturally runs very close to the power steering pump. So I don't want to mess it up, but I mean, I guess at the same time, I mean, I do got the plug. I just go give me a new power steering pump with me. Let's see if we can bend it and make it fit. See, there are no more pieces. All the pieces are gone. And that must mean that everything is stalled. So I fought the power steering pump. It's in there. I had to beat it up, bang it up. Getting ready to press the power steering pulley on. Got everything pretty much torqued up. If that alternator was ever going to be an issue, I don't believe it will be now. And once I get this power steering pulley pressed on, I'll know exactly where we sit with that. But being that it's supposed to line up with the rest of that, I don't think that we're going to have an issue with that either. So I think you can pretty much say that this is a success. LSX Innovations. Make sure you holler at them. Get your bracket. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's all nice, man. You gotta make me want to go get a new alternator or something. You know what I'm talking about? Which that may be coming in a future video. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to pretty up and stuff. Y'all know I done did the straight out the mud, straight out the junkyard build before. Now we done built one up, and we put a little rather dazzle on it. You know what I'm saying? It's all about how you want to do it, man. Build it for you, don't build it for others, man. Put it on a t-shirt. Build it for you, don't build it for others. Put it on a t-shirt, man. All right, so let me go and wrap this up, man. Make sure that we're gonna be good to go. We got the power steering pulley on. Got the power steering lines hooked up. Got seeing that everything is lining up. This belt is too short, so I will have to go get another belt. It says in the instructions actually which belt you need, so that'll be an easy fix. Just have to go get it. Says we belt number KO 60775. Belt equaling in length to 78 and 13/16 lengths. It's gonna be a 6 rib belt. So that should just about tie up everything else that we're gonna need for that surfacing setup. So I think it looks good. It's different, like I said, from anything else that I've ever done. The only thing that I'll need to do is, I guess, maybe just mount this battery box here somewhere. For the way that it works, originally this goes hold on.